Here we have an example of a shed roof. So this is a flat roof. It's usually not the same pitch as the regular roof. It's a little bit flatter and it's raised up. It's usually called a shed roof. So here we have another example of a hip roof, and in this hip we have the ability here, or we have the opportunity rather, to see what we would call our hip rafters and then our jack rafters. So the diagonal pieces that go up there, underneath you would have hip rafters that aren't a typical rafter. They're a little bit longer. And then the jack rafters would be the ones that would come into those. So here is a really good example of a hip roof that has a valley when you have a 90-degree turn with the roof. And so this is a good example of a hip roof where it's just roofing material. There's no siding any parts above the roof line of any part of the house. Everything above the roof line is roofing. So either metal or shingles or whatever you choose to put on it. So those are different types of roofs, folks. I hope this helps. Make sure you work hard, because hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.